Please.
We're at the car wash. We're at the car wash.
What the?
If you have a coupon, wash ticket, or prepaid card, scan it on the barcode reader now.
His money's not working. His money isn't working. His money's no good here. It's no good here. So we're gonna vlog through the car wash. It's a car wash vlog today. Let's check it out.
If you have a coupon, wash ticket, or prepaid card, scan it on the barcode reader.
I'm sorry, ma'am. We don't have a coupon or a car wash tag.
Either credit card or cash.
It's $1 bills, ma'am.
In there.
Thank you. They won't.
Strip club. Let's go behind me.
Come on, dude.
Hey.
You're gonna like bend it like there you go. We're gonna tie his ride today.
Tell me how to put
If you have a coupon,
$1 in the machine.
please wait while your receipt is being printed.
Thank you. Here we go. We don't even have to wait a long line for a ride. Oh, yeah. Woo! Hands up, everybody.
The best of these.
Here we go. Hands up in the air and wave them like, wave us in. Put your window up, man.
I'm gonna give them.
And how do you show them? That way. Oops, that was not to show them.
Neutral. I've been in a car wash before.
He's been in a car before. This is not a good song.
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's not a good car wash song. So how was everybody's day going today? Mine's just dandy. Not really. It's pretty uneventful, which I guess is pretty good then. Right? Right. What about Tyler? Tyler's day uneventful? Put on only. Let's go. Let's go. You would feel. She's like, thank you so much. You're welcome. She's cute. All right, people. It's Tuesday's vlog in the car wash. Yeah. We're in the car wash. In the car wash. Burn down. Uh-oh, here comes the big. We've never done this before. We're gonna let the air hit us. Let's see how it. Let's see. Ah, I'm getting wet. I don't do anything. I'm sitting here waiting for Tyler. Car wash is done. His car's clean. Now mine is a disaster, but his is clean. So now it's time to go pick up the kids. Well, I'm going with them because either stay home and do laundry or get out of the house for a little bit and go pick up the kids. I say I'll go pick up the kids. Tyler drives. I'll just go for the ride. Laundry can always wait. House chores can always wait, right? Am I right or am I wrong? Everything can wait. Here comes Tyler. He's looking at me like, what are you doing? Anywho, gonna get back on the car. See you in a minute. All right, finishing up today's Tuesday vlog. Picking up Chandler at school. Tyler's picking up Chandler. And he's laughing at people's hair. Fun. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this little short, uneventful vlog. But keep watching for further things. If anybody has any idea what they would like to see us do, let us know. We're up for anything. We're up for anything crazy, random. We'll do it. We'll do whatever. Okay? So have a good rest of the day. Hope we'll see you tomorrow.